Solve the equation. X over 2 equals to 1 over 2 plus 2x over 5. Solution. X divided by 2 is equals to 1 over 2 plus 2x divided by 5. Now the first thing for us to do is to examine the denominators. The denominators at the left. The denominator of the fraction at the left is 2. We also have 2 here, we have 5 here. So the first thing for us to do is to look for the LCM of the denominators. So we look for LCM of 2 and 5. And to get the LCM of 2 and 5, we have, let's use our table. We have 2, we have 5. Now, what number we divide 2? 2. 2 divided by 2, we have 1. And 2 is not a factor of 5, so we still write 5. Now, we have the first column now, or the second column rather, under 2. Under the first denominator 2, we already having 1. So we need to consider the second column, which we are having 5. So we use 5. 5 divided by 5, we have 1. So we still rewrite this 1. We have 1 here. So our aim is to have 1, 1 here. It means we have exhausted all the expected factors there. So in this case, what will form our LCM is the product of what we're having here, which is 2 times 5. And that is what? 10. And another way of getting the LCM of this form is this. Once you have, if you want to find LCM of two numbers, and those two numbers, they are not factor of each other, or we don't have any common factors. The two numbers does not have any common factor except 1. Then the LCM of the two numbers is the product of the two numbers, just like this. Because 2 and 2, this just repeated denominators. So take note. So what we are having here now, the two numbers we are having at the denominators here are just 2 and 5. So the LCM of 2 and 5 will just be 2 times 5. That is 10. That's another way of getting the LCM. And it's a special case. It's not generalized for all forms of denominator. Take note of that. So in this case, we multiply all through. We multiply all through by the LCM. All through by the LCM. And that is 10. So we say 10 times x divided by 2 is equal to 10 times 1 divided by 2 plus 10 times 2x divided by 5. So 2 here, 1, then 2 in 10. What do we have? 5. 2 here, 1, then 2 in 10, we also have 5. 5 here, 1, then 5 in 10, we have 2. So 5 times x, we have 5x, equals to 5 times 1, we have 5, plus 2 times 2x, what do we have? 4x. The next thing for us to do is to collect the like terms. So we are going to bring plus 4x to the left, and it will turn to what? Minus 4x. We have 5x minus 4x equals to 5. What is 5x minus 4x? That is 1x. And 1x is same thing as x. And the solution is x equals to 5. Thank you.